Welcome to this lesson on updates. An update is a new version of a program that contains added functionality, security enhancements, and fixes to bugs that have been discovered in the previous release. To get the most out of your devices and to keep them fully protected, we recommend that you install updates as soon as they're available. Some updates are applied as soon as a new version is released and happen automatically. Or when you open the program, it will ask if you want to update it. In regards to Windows updates, these updates are referred to as patches. Patches are fixes to problems or security holes that have not been discovered during testing. So installing Windows updates is a good thing and recommended to keep you and your devices safe. Patches are usually released on the second and sometimes fourth Tuesday of every month. There is a component called Windows Update that checks for these updates automatically. Sometimes, depending on how you set up your computer on the initial setup, this feature is turned off. To get to Windows Update, press the Windows key and S and type in Windows Update. And then you'll see a bunch of options relating to Windows Update. The one we're looking for is Check for Updates. This opens up a window, and here you have the option to have Windows check for updates. One important thing I wanted to mention is feature updates to Windows 10. This will not install automatically. You have to initiate it by clicking the download and install button. These updates are often large and take quite some time to download and install. And that ends our discussion for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.